You gotta love it. It is a very nice and cool morning here in the Midwest. It is in the 50s, even though it is late summer. I have already seen and photographed warblers at this location, which is a very large nature preserve. And so I'm looking forward to seeing more. So need I say more? Let's go birding. Once again, I'm using my Sony A1 camera and the Sony 200 to 600 millimeter lens. It is my absolute favorite combo for bird photography. I carefully clean the lens and get the camera prepped because I'm expecting to have an outstanding day. Look out, birds, because here I come. Well, this is very exciting. I just started birding, and right up in that tree, I just photographed a warbler. It's a bay-breasted warbler. Soon the sun rose above the horizon, lighting up the early fall colors. I'm watching this tree line, and the sun has really lit it up. Suddenly, I spot some movement. It's a Tennessee warbler. That made Papa proud, but soon I saw a Cape May warbler. It's beautiful. How cool is that? Then came the dogs. Well, as you can hear, there are some hunting dogs in that field over there. I met a couple of them on the road here. They were pretty friendly. They're going through the brush. They were going through the brush over here where I was birding, and they are quite literally scaring all the birds away. So they're literally right over there, right in there. There comes another one to join the fun. But what this means for me is I'm going to have to find a new location. So I'm off. You gotta love it. I'm at another location, and right over here I just photographed a yellow-throated vireo. Yeah, I sure wished it would have looked my way. So I'm gonna watch this area for a little while. Ah, peace and quiet. Just inside the tree line, there's a bare tree, and at the very top, I just photographed a Blackburnian warbler. What an absolutely beautiful fall migration warbler. The peace and quiet did not last. I had to move on again. Because there were so many hunters in the area I was at and so many vehicles passing by, I had to move on yet again, but it's all good. Right behind me in that bush, I just photographed a beautiful Cape May warbler. Folks, sometimes bad things happen for good reasons. If I hadn't moved on, I might not have seen this wonderful warbler. I was exploring the area when Suddenly, I had to move on again. Here's what happened. I was birding along this tree line, and right out of the woods, right through the brush, right in front of me, came a hunter, and he had a red squirrel hanging at the end of a rope or chain. So it's squirrel season. But I have to move on yet again, and hopefully I can find some place where I can do some birding without having hunters roll up on me and scaring the birds. Well, I found another area. I don't see anyone around. These woods appear to have quite a bit of activity. So I'm going to do some birding here and see what I can find. All of those interruptions sequentially led me here, and this place proved to be a Warbler Bonanza. Look at that Cape May warbler. There were so many species in this area of woods. I was astounded. So it is absolutely true. Sometimes bad things happen, ultimately for good reasons. My wife said those dogs scared all the warblers into this area. I think she's right. What a great time. We saw a lot of warblers, and I'd have to say this is the shot of the day.